Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to remove items from your Walmart online shopping cart in 2025. Whether you're decluttering your cart, changing your mind about a purchase, or just streamlining your shopping experience, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Walmart's interface has been updated for even smoother navigation, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Walmart account. If you aren't already signed in, open the Walmart website or app and enter your username and password. This is crucial because you can't access your cart without being authenticated. Once you're logged in, head straight to your shopping cart. You can find the cart icon, usually a little basket, in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the items you've added. Now, scroll through your cart to find the item you want to remove. Next to each item, you'll notice a Remove button or an X icon. Go ahead and click that for the specific item. Walmart might prompt you to confirm the removal to avoid any accidental deletions. If that happens, just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. This extra step is there for your protection, especially if you're shopping on a shared device. After confirming, the item should instantly disappear from your cart. Take a quick second to double-check that everything looks correct. Your total might update, and the item list should reflect the change. Pro tip: if you're using the Walmart mobile app, the process is almost identical. Just tap the cart icon at the bottom of the screen and follow the same steps. It's designed to be user-friendly on both desktop and mobile for 2025. And that's it, you've successfully removed items from your Walmart cart. This simple trick can save you time and help you avoid unwanted purchases. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other Walmart questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.